Welcome to our Clear Safety training video. In this two-part training, we'll guide you through the process of performing a systemic screening. A systemic approach to safety identifies risk factors and pinpoints unsafe roadways to prevent crashes and other dangers. In Part 1, we'll cover the first three steps of the process. 1. Analysis details. 2. Focus crash groups. 3. Focus facility groups. In Part 2, we'll review the final steps, evaluate risk factors, conduct a risk assessment, and visualize sites. Let's get started. In the first step, we'll set up the screening scenario. From the main menu, select the drop-down for Planning, then click on Screening. Under Screening, select Systemic. When the grid opens, click the new Systemic Screening button at the top. Locate the Systemic Analysis Details panel and enter Onondaga RWD as the analysis name. Keep the time period as it is. Click on the Analysis Location tab. You'll see the Select Features accordion panel. Here, select County as the feature type and Onondaga as the county. Once set, click Add Feature. You'll notice that Onondaga is added to the selected boundaries grid at the top of the panel. Now that we've defined the analysis area, let's move on to Step 2, Focus Crash Groups. For this section, we'll use Cabco All as the focus crash group. Select Cabco All and locate the By Focus Crash Group button. Under Select the Crashes, check Lane Departures and Nighttime Crashes. You'll see that lane departures represents 5,177 crashes, and nighttime crashes represents 8,908 crashes. Click the Next button to move on to Step 3, Focus Facility Groups. Now we'll create a crash tree. By pinpointing high-risk locations, we can address risk factors that contribute to crashes within targeted groups and minimize hazards. For this analysis, the key risk factors are functional classes 6, 7, and 8, and posted speed limits between 35 and 55 miles per hour. Roads with these risk factors tend to have more lane departure crashes per mile. While we typically develop and analyze multiple crash trees, we'll create just one model and designate it as the main crash tree. To start, find the New Crash Tree button on the left panel. Once you click, enter the crash tree title, Functional Class Posted Speed. Select Segment as the facility type category and click Start Crash Tree. Use the plus icon on the left panel to add a second level to the crash tree. Check off Functional Class and click Next. Now, check off these functional class boxes and click Add. Level 2 will appear in the left panel as Functional Class. We'll start on the third level the same way, by clicking the plus icon on the left panel. Check the box for posted speed and click Next. Check off the boxes that read 35, 40, 45, 50, and 55 miles per hour. Then click the Add button. The third level is now shown as posted speed. Next, click Highlight Node. Select Functional Class 4 Rural Principal Arterial Other. The node is now highlighted in blue. Click on the node for posted speed and choose 55 miles per hour. That is also highlighted in blue. Click Save Crash Tree in the left panel and then the Exit button. You'll see a star icon on the top left Main Crash Tree. Click it and hit the Next button. This concludes the first part of the training. In Part 2, we'll cover the final three steps. Please continue to Part 2, Perform a Systemic Screening, Steps 4 through 6.